Caitlin.
I'm Danielle.
And together we're Our Time of the Month. We didn't even plan this.
It's just been a rolling stone gathering moss. I don't want to be
that's
friends
not
with
true.
people who don't want to match with me. I never had a sibling growing up, so I'm trying to match all my friends.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I did. Rachel and I did some solid matching. Okay.
What friends are for.
So, this is not...
And we have the same tattoo.
This is not a Shining themed video. We are actually here to talk about our PR. So we're gonna talk to you about our mail.
I'm picking out some of the PR we just ate.
Mail time, mail time, mail time, mail. Okay,
I
yeah.
got it.
So we just ate lunch, as Danielle mentioned, that was sent to us lovingly.
Wait, where's the shirt? I gotta show the shirt.
On the couch.
Lovingly sent to us by Box Hill Pizzeria in Abingdon, Maryland, aka my favorite restaurant to go with my grandparents growing up.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want some crab cakes? Yes, of course we do.
Yes, so I had never had it before. We will insert a photo of our delicious lunch.
Stunning.
Lovely. Salad made by us.
Mostly Caitlin. Also, if you are rich and you want to have a party, you should hire Caitlin to prepare all of the food for your occasion.
Absolutely. Anytime.
She would be the best
I'm really good at it.
caterer. Is that what you would have to call yourself?
Yeah, I'd be a caterer.
A caterer.
Private chef.
I could occasionally come to help.
Sure, absolutely. I mean, I'm gonna need
Just
some
feed
all
me.
hands on deck.
Just feed me and I'm okay.
Mm-hmm.
When's the last time you made a ColourPop order?
Ooh, years.
4 years?
More.
5 years?
More.
6
yeah.
years?
Yeah. It's been a long time.
We used to love, what was the color? Not Naked. Oh my god. It was like the cult favorite.
Oh. Life is weird.
You tell a story and I'll look it up.
Okay, so one of the other things that we were lovingly sent was a little care package from the Misunderstood Ginger Spiced Whiskey Company. That is the adorable hats that we are currently wearing.
They're so lovely.
They sent us a bottle each of their ginger spice whiskey, and they sent 2 koozies, which I think we both have used already and are in a drawer somewhere. And it's a cute little toad.
That's really cute.
Spread the gingerly love. I know one of my sister's friends who's married to a redhead really wants the koozie, so I need to request one for her.
I love that bag. I wish it were about 4 times bigger.
I agree. I want to like use it as like a work bag. Lumiere! Love it.
What a throwback.
Oh, great sound.
They sent us a little recipe card, which in theory, if we were better planners, and we'll probably do this at some point.
Yes.
We will try these. There's a Stood and Soda, a ginger peach tea, that would be delicious, a summer crush, and a misunderstood mule, which is just like that is probably what a lot of people use this for, because a mule has so much ginger in it.
Well, I really like I drink iced tea every day, and so I really like the
She's
idea.
just gonna start putting whiskey in it.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Spicy.
but not.
Spicy like in the mouth, not in the throat. How do they do that?
I got it in my nose too. I
Yes.
like it though.
It is good. I think it would be good mixed with things. I don't think that for me this would be like, hi, can I get a bourbon on the rocks? It wouldn't
No.
be this kind.
No, but I do think that it's sweeter than average. So I think for people that are very used to very used to whiskey being like a little too intense or a little too, this has got to have some sort of sugars in it. I don't know.
And it's made in Kentucky. So we'll put the link below so that you can find where to buy this. Really beautiful packaging.
It's a sweet ginger. It's not a super spicy ginger, but it gives you still that tingle from the whiskey. I really like this actually. Well, because I love a whiskey ginger. It's that's
Your
my
number
favorite
one drink. And the handwriting on the card is really beautiful.
Also, just a handwritten note is, 10 out of 10.
I agree.
Wait, look at their S and miss. Oh, look at their R and their S. I have never figured
The R is so hard for me.
R's are so hard. I end up just making this like thumb looking
Well,
thing.
you know, these kids these days don't have to learn cursive.
But I want to practice with that
very
R. I'm
upsetting.
gonna keep that. I'm just gonna work on my penmanship.
Okay.
Take some trace paper. Keep going.
What were we talking about?
Keep talking.
Oh, shut up.
Keep talking.
We're on a revolving PR list with Pixie, which is so fun because it means we get to try a bunch of stuff.
Yes.
And actually, we've both fallen in love with multiple things.
Yes.
But recently we got a package. Oh my god, that's a dog.
Yeah, he's right on my foot.
I just stepped on his paw. And these things came in it, and I just like gave 2 to Caitlin, and I kept 2, but I haven't used either of these. But she's used those. These are the vitamin C capsule cares.
Capsules. You love
Actually,
capsules.
and I'm like on the end of my vitamin C.
Say the word capsule.
Capsule, encapsulated. And then this is the Pixie Clarity Mist with Cica Hyaluronic Complex.
They love Cica.
Can I do this anytime?
Anytime. So the 2
Pizza in the morning.
items that Danielle graciously allowed me to have were the Pixie On The Glow tinted moisture sticks. So these are just a very creamy, I actually already goofed this one, but it's fine. Creamy glue sticks almost. And the thing that I ended up really, really loving about them, particularly this one, which I would consider more of a blush than a bronze, and it's the Warm Glow, is that it has a ton of sheen.
She really likes them.
I do really like it because after I saw that whatever product you had where I was like, what are you wearing? Your face looks all wet. In a way that I really liked. I was like, don't tell me it's new. And you're like, it's new.
Don't tell me what you're wearing. It's new. It's new.
New. Bitch. I would say this product gives me the effect, like wet. I just look wet. And I like
what
that.
I told her today her skin looks really nice.
Thank you. And I was wearing both of these at the time.
Take your glasses off.
Bossy.
Yeah. I was gonna say don't bring them, but you got a new pair.
Oh. This is why you asked me to take them off.
Here I come.
Okay.
Not a fan of the smell. I like
Not a fan of the spritz.
Here, bust one of these bad boys open. We can split them. We can each get like 2 weeks.
No, I literally still have the pink ones from Beauty Pie, you know what I mean?
Oh! It's a cream!
No.
That's not what I expected.
Me
but I
neither.
will tell you this. Let me get a little sciencey on you. Vitamin C, when it's like exposed to sunlight, can oxidize, and that's not good. So I think they've gotten around that. They've wiggled around it, as Hanley would say, and they've put them in capsules. So,
Oh, I saw you do it.
damn.
Interesting though that they then put them in a clear package.
This doesn't have any smell.
Well, thank you, Pixie.
Made in Italy!
Wow, I would say go out and try these are made in Korea.
I liked this. This is made in Korea.
Interesting. So you know that both of us have eyeballs that are not functioning.
Jim, listen.
Oh, I got so excited. Oh, I got so excited. Oh,
Jim,
I got so excited.
I'm gonna need you to pump the brakes on the glasses.
She doesn't need progressives yet.
My God.
She doesn't need them.
That made me feel really old. Jim!
Jim.
I think Jim has like an eye fetish.
But you also have more eye examinations than the average person.
I
don't you?
agree. So, Zinf, we've worked with them many, many, many times.
Yeah, years at this point. I don't think if you've seen a pair of glasses on our faces that they haven't been Zimph in a long time.
That is so true.
Yeah.
I don't even wear other glasses.
I don't wear other sunglasses either. I think you do now, but
I
I've
do.
been wearing exclusively Zimph since the one pair of sunglasses I have. I've been wearing these sunglasses exclusively for the past probably 3 or 4 years.
They're really good.
Okay, so I chose these glasses specifically because I thought those other ones look so good on my face. These probably will too.
They're the best glasses you've ever worn.
What?
I think they are the best glasses you've ever worn. I think maybe it's because they're so different than anything you're wearing. Not in the fact that it's the color, but
So
their
they're
shape.
So they're clear, but if you can't tell, they are also an aviator style, so they have the bar across, but they're square. That's the difference, is that most aviators are sort of rounded triangle shape. You look adorable.
Quality, it's there. The style, I like it. On me, absolutely not.
I don't think it's an absolutely not.
And I don't, that shouldn't be misconstrued as a criticism. It's not. I have a really tiny face, and I also, I don't know what I was thinking. I want to be a big glasses person so bad.
Yeah. No, you just, but big glasses for you are a medium.
Right.
What size are these?
Big.
But I love the sides.
Me too, and the green. I'm
green.
really into green right now, and I was like, this green that fades into a clear, I think that's, you know what? I can see fucking everything.
I will, that's how I
It's
felt.
a windscreen.
That's how I felt the first time I got these, because
Yes.
they were the biggest glasses I had ever had.
So what I've been doing,
I want to try this with my hair up.
I keep them in my car, and they're my driving glasses.
Or goddamn, go see a movie. You'll see the whole
I
screen.
see everything. I see everything.
I want to put my hair up. I feel like it would be cute. You look.
Come at me, Jim. My phone don't recognize me. What does it look like?
You look like in a movie when they're like
Nerd.
like make
Oh, it is me.
no, but I mean like they're like make a pretty girl ugly and they're like just slap a pair of glasses on her. And then they're like and then it's like the guy and he's like, I think you're beautiful, takes the glasses off and you're fucking stunning. Pretty much. It's a
I gotta say, you needed new glasses.
Yeah, no.
It's all rubbed off. Do you know that scientists, mathematicians, whatever they are,
scientist.
they discovered a new shape the other day? And I was like, how do you discover a new shape in the year 2023? our
I'm
Lord?
sorry. What?
I'm not kidding.
What does that mean?
I don't know. I saw it on TikTok.
No, I need more information. Comment
Sure.
down below if you're one of the scientists that discovered a new shape.
New shape.
Mike, did you know that scientists discovered a new shape recently?
It's an Einstein shape, which is a shape that can do something no other tile can do. It's called the turtle. It's the new shape. Versed reached out to us and they were like, hey ladies, would you like to try Versed products? I have always wanted to because they're sold at Target, and they let us pick out the 5 items each that we wanted, which I really love and appreciate.
And surprise, surprise, we overlap on quite a bit of it.
Do
and
we?
then yeah.
3 of them.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, that's probably fine.
But very standard for us, I think. Also, their line isn't crazy extensive, which I like. I like that it's sort of, they have it divided by skin type. So, for example, on these 2 different serums I got, this one specifically says for all skin types, this one says for problem skin. It helps you know exactly what you're looking for.
I like their packaging.
I like their packaging. I like the colorway.
Mm-hmm. You can buy it at Target.
Yes, so it's very accessible.
Yeah.
Where do you just want to start on the ones we still have the same?
We got the Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Solution. It's a 4-acid complex with bearberry extract. Never heard of bearberry. They're vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and dye-free. I'm a brightening toner.
And then we also both got the Versed Sunday Morning Antioxidant Oil Serum with sea buckthorn extract and Camilla oil.
Ooh, okay. I think I'm really gonna like this. You definitely have to shake it to activate.
So it's a 30% recycled plastic bottle, and they say no to animal testing and yes to recycling.
Watch it. Look at it.
Oh, okay, fun. If you crave non-greasy moisture and a dewy glow, it's an oil serum hybrid with botanical oil phase, delivers fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and omegas to help nourish skin and boost clarity.
It feels
My
very
soothing
watery.
serum phase helps prevent moisture loss and smooth uneven texture.
It feels very watery. It is not oily at all.
I do like the glow that you're getting off the back of your hand.
I'm really excited to test this.
I'm really excited to try it under makeup.
And so far, the 2 things we've showed you, I don't think they have like any fragrances in it. And it says fragrance free, but sometimes that can still smell.
Yep.
Oh, let's do this. Okay, we both ordered the Skin Soak Rich Moisture Cream with squalane and red algae extract. I ordered this because I really love the like rich moisture balm from Ren. And so I was thinking, oh, maybe this would, okay. It's like an actual cream.
Can I tell you this
Looks like marshmallow.
new description I've never heard before?
Smooth it?
Warm a peanut-sized amount between fingertips and smooth into skin. I never hear peanut.
Again, no scent. I'm into it.
Okay. The first thing that I got that was different from Danielle's is the Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream with green tea extract and aloe leaf juice.
That sounds fun.
So this is for all skin types, and it's a light jelly-like moisturizer that keeps the bounce in your skin. Smooth a peanut-sized amount into skin.
Try it.
Bounce. Peanut-sized amount.
Oh.
Okay, okay. Oh God, if I could just look like that all the time.
What?
Just like lubed up like that.
Lubed up.
Like, you're not gonna be able to see that, but that's
Smells like nothing.
nothing.
That's nice.
And I have a feeling, so I feel it right now, but I bet you in the next 30 seconds, I will feel nothing on my hand and arm. We'll report back.
Start the timer.
Start the timer.
The Daymaker Microcrystal Exfoliator. I picked this because I don't have a physical exfoliant, and sometimes you just really want to rub one in your skin.
Sometimes you just want to rub one out.
Yeah, you just really want to rub one out. And this is extremely...
No. Touch my arm.
Virtually not there.
It's gone.
It's gone.
It
This
hasn't even been 30 seconds.
It's like this white creamy
White creamy.
substance,
Rub one out.
but feel the tiny particles.
Ooh!
They like,
That's a really good exfoliant.
it is so smooth, so fine.
Smoothens.
It smoothens. It does. I washed my face and then I did a little bit of this for like 30 seconds and then I rinsed it and my skin felt really, really nice.
Ooh, this one does have a scent and it's kind of lemony.
Yeah, it does. But I bet you that wasn't an added fragrance. And their microcrystals are gentle, safe, and they're biodegradable. I know a lot of companies like St. Ives,
So they're not microplastics?
they don't have those microplastics in them,
Oops,
right?
sorry,
I really did like it. So this is the only thing I've tried and I was very pleased with my selection.
The last thing I got was the Just Breathe clarifying serum with willow bark extract and zinc blend. So it's if my skin is just stressing me out and I just want to chill. I'm a friend to clogged pores and skin that's acting up. Cool.
Oh, let's see what it looks like. And the last item that I got is the Zero G Smoothing Eye Cream with algae extract and peptides. I love this packaging. It's kind of cute.
Okay.
What is this? Brightening?
Clarifying.
Clarifying? Was it like tea tree or something?
Willow bark, zinc, niacinamide, butylene glycol, polysorbate, willow bark, zinc. What's all the regular?
Packaging does
Horse
seem
chestnut.
A little excessive.
Oh, it's got some caffeine, some biotin, yeast extract. So this one's definitely going to be, this one to me, if it's got caffeine in it, makes me think more nighttime, more daytime, but whatever.
This is my eye cream.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh, it's got a little bit of the iridescence to it, like the Origins one that I love.
Looks nice.
I'm excited for her.
Yeah. And then they were nice enough to send us like a little bonus.
That's gonna be stunning.
Ooh, that reminds me of Beauty Pie.
I can't wait.
They sent us a little bonus, which is the Photos Please Brightening Tightening Mask with turmeric and cannelin clay. This little pouch has 12 applications, which seem, it's a red clay mask with turmeric that gently exfoliates to help brighten skin, improve the appearance of skin's texture, and leave your complexion looking energized.
Cool. Who doesn't need that?
Love that for us.
Thank you to all of the brands that sent us stuff. You know what my favorite thing is?
What?
We didn't pay for any of it.
$0. Actually, no, I paid $15 for my glasses. Why, you ask? Because my prescription is so significant that if I didn't pay for them to skinny those lenses up, then they would be fat fucks and they would be, yeah, crazy, crazy thick, and it would be so embarrassing for everyone. So
They look really good.
thank you. I'm really excited. I can't believe that they look good. I really got these thinking like I hope and I think and it would make sense that they would, but I doubt that will. I also remember
They're perfect.
There's a movie where a woman, this movie is from like the early 2000s, and she wears glasses like this, and I remember thinking, you look so gross and weird. Why would you ever wear glasses that look like that? And now I am wearing them.
We gotta close it out because we got shit to do. We gotta go pick tomatoes.
What's a weird question?
I got one.
Okay.
Do you think, I asked Mike this yesterday and he said, fuck you, I hate that you brought it up.
Okay.
Do you think that long haul truckers, like the people who are going
Yeah.
from here to there,
Yeah.
sleeping in their trucks,
Yeah.
do you think while they're driving they are masturbating?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I said. And he said, I can't believe that now I'm gonna think about that every time I see one.
The dumbest thing I've ever heard that he thinks they don't, because I know people that have just driven regular cars that have masturbated.
So put your answer down below. I hope one of you either is a long haul trucker or is married to a long haul trucker and you can tell us.
They're for sure masturbating.
Love you.
Okay, love you, bye.
Bye.